Hello and welcome. Sometimes your pointer can go missing, especially when you are using multiple apps and windows. To make your pointer easier to find, you will need to enable the Shake Mouse Pointer to Locate feature in the macOS. Click on the Apple icon in the menu bar and choose System Preferences. Here, click on the Accessibility icon. On the left panel, select Display. Now, on the right side, select the Cursor tab. Here at the top, check the Shake Mouse Pointer to Locate checkbox. Now, if you ever lost your pointer, just shake your mouse or your finger on the trackpad. This momentarily increases the size of your mouse so that you find it easily. Please give this a like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials and tips, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.